Alright guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Moderna stock, mRNA. So today so far this stock is down 9%. There was a downgrade earlier and then FDA headlines, safety challenges and development needs for pediatric RSV vaccine amid historical concerns and recent mRNA trial pauses. So you can read the news yourself. I'm going to talk about the technical levels I'm going to be watching for the stock, and let's take a look at the option activity. So we know the stock has been struggling, and year to date the stock is down 58%. And from its highs, if we go all the way back to the pandemic levels where it almost hit this, let me just go on a daily chart because we want to know where it closed last time. So let's go from here of a 486 to these 41-ish dollar levels. Stock is down 91.5%. Okay. And if we take a look at the yearly chart of the stock, you can see 2 years of a COVID pump and last 3 years decline after decline. And I don't think that this stock has any chance of turning around at this point, given its valuation being 16 billion at the moment, and they have been burning cash crazy, and stock had pretty much relief bounce right here into the 50-day moving average very recently, where $35, $36 level was a support. So after big option expiration, big flush, after big option expiration, relief bounce, and it was just chopping around here. And it can chop around here for quite some time too. I thought it would come test 50-day moving average, this yellow line right here, but we're pulling back today. So far, yes, this level of a 41.50-ish, that was a support area for quite some time. So if we do close below, the next level would be 36.50. And I'm going to be watching below that 35. If it cracks sometime in the future, I have an alert, $35.76, 79 cents. That's where I have my alert. If it cracks $35 level, I would be watching the stock go all the way to $17, $18 levels back from when it took off in 2020. If we go back to this, you can see it had gap, and it was consolidating around this level 2019 and 2020 all the way until April, all the way until March actually. And then it had this huge run towards $35 level. So this is where $35 came for me. This was the resistance area. That's why I was watching this level as a support area. And yeah, market capitalization of the stock at the moment, $16 billion. And if we go take a look at, maybe quickly glance at the revenue, maybe let's take a look what's going on with their revenue situation for mRNA, and then we can take a look at the option activity. So mRNA, you can see the revenue, 18 billion 2021, 19 billion 2022, 6.5 2023. And if we take a look at it quarterly, you can see last 3 quarters, this company has been pretty much all over the place. So I'm going to be watching, let's take a look at the option activity. I'm going to be watching that level as a next level of target. You can see there's a lot of puts and calls being traded. A lot of people pretty much selling those premiums and collecting premium, implied volatility going into February 2025, 21st of February is at the moment 87% and $13 levels. So I'm going to be watching this. Probably I will set an alert. I'm interested to trade possibly this $30 put come next year. I would be watching this premium decay. At the same time, I want the stock price to crack that $35 level. I don't want to be gambling here to watch that this stock, to bet that this stock is going to keep continuing down. I want to see a breakdown before I go for this one, but this is something I'm interested in. It could be, if it's trading around $1 level. It could be pretty good 500% plus percent trade, but I'm watching this name to the downside. And again, this video is not a recommendation for you to buy or sell. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. That's what I'm watching for mRNA, Moderna. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.